The sunlight pours through the canyon's cracks. A rusty truck rolls with.
Hello friends, so welcome back again to our video this morning. I want to share with you a payout proof of free Litecoin to Trust Wallet. So I'm going to show you an app where you can earn Litecoin every single week. It's free, registration is free, you're not paying any dime, just have to register with download the app, register, and then I'll show you exactly how to do. So let me show you the payout first. You can see what you're seeing here. This is already this. Now look at it. This is on June 17th. What you're seeing here now happened on June 17th. So look at it. This is 203,249 Litoshi. That is, when we talk about Bitcoin, we talk about Satoshi, but Litecoin is called Litoshi. We know what the price of Litecoin is currently. If you look at the current Litecoin price, it's $85.15. So that's it. And there was a time it went even more than $100. So these are coins that they have potentials. So even when you get this things free now, maybe the price or the value is not that much. You need to know that it's free something, and you can wake up tomorrow and see that something has given you money, and it has always been that way with me. There are a lot of coins I recently sold that these were coins I made some years back, and that time the value was so small. But then by the time I now check my wallet here, and I say, oh, it has even grown to be something. It solved a particular problem at that time. So you can see it. It's June 17th, 2025. That was this transfer. You can see a lot of transfers here. You can see it. Everything is so clear here. Just make it clear for you. Look at it. So, and I look at this, you can see 0.00203,240. Now let me show you, so as to confirm to you that this was done. I'm going to show you from that particular system where I got this. You can see 203,249. Let's check now. So let's go to that particular system. Okay, this is the system. Before I go to play the game, to show you how to play the game, let me do this first. Okay, I want to click on this control panel. Just watch. That's where I'm going to see the last payout. Now look at it. The last payout. If you want this, you're going to see the last payout, 17 June 2025, sent 0.00203,249 exactly to this. Now look at it. It's so clearly written to this account, LTC account, and that's my wallet on Trust Wallet. You could see it. It ends by GHS something 2. So if you check, that's exactly the thing. And this is how the system pays every single, and the system says the next payout is 24th of June. That because it pays every Tuesday. But before it pays every Tuesday, you must have had a particular amount, minimum withdrawal balance. Like what you're having here is this around 22,000 of this Litecoin. But if it's going to pay the next Tuesday, it means that at least I should be able to have at least 100,000 of this. That's 100,000 Satoshis. If I don't have it, you will shift to the next Tuesday, and just that way. Now, what are the ways to play? Look at so many ways to earn here. Like you can see here, you have this. This one is hourly claim. Every hour you claim this. I'm going to show you. You have Alpha War rewards. Something like this Alpha War, it's not every country that is open to. All this one, playtime Alpha War, all these Alpha War, like this ones. It's not every country, but the ones that is open to everybody is this and this. Bonus claim available, and that is that. And then if you want to make referral, you want to refer others, you can also, a lot of people join this. You can see winnings. You can also see the kind of winnings people are having here. They're always pasting it. So let me show you on how to play some of these ones, like this hourly claim. When you click like this, now it says spin price. You have 2 spins. Watch. Look at what he got. I can decide to claim this, but I want to try, because once you hit any of these 4 things you see here down here, it will move to the second level where you have bigger earnings. So if he luckily hits this, it will move to the top. Here, are you getting it? Where you can now have, because it's possible to win this 100k immediately, instant now. You understand? So once they give you this spin and you don't get what you're looking for, you can spin again. So now he has finished spinning and I can still get something bigger for me. I can watch video to get more spin. I click on more spins to watch the ads. Just watch. Now I'm done watching the ad and they have given me 3 more free spin. I spin again. Let me watch. I'm looking for something bigger. I have not find it. I do the second one. I've not still find something bigger. You see, all the things that this thing get me are too poor. I'm not ready to take it. I'm ready to watch another spin. So in your case, it can even do once and give you bigger. But you know, these are something that can happen at any time. If you think that what you're having here is not enough, you might still watch another video. They give you more spins until you get something bigger. But if you think, okay, let me collect it and move on, you do that. Okay, I'll receive additional 2 more spins. After this one, I will not try again, whatever be the outcome. Okay, I don't know why these lower numbers are coming up. Okay, now this is the number here. This one is 100. I can go for it. I click on yes. It will be added to my balance here instantly. You can see it has added. Now the next one you always play. This one is almost 3 hours apart. Is this one called bonus claim available? It's always open. So you look at it. This one you must watch ad. Once you watch ad, this thing will roll. Anywhere you click, just watch. I'm going to just do one and stop at this point. Be able to do the rest. Okay, now I click on claim reward. Just watch. It will load around, and anyone it clicks, that's what you got. By the time it finishes, 301, you see, has been added. So, and that one you can play it up to 6 times before it's over. Like this one now is still on, up to 6 or 7 times. Then it will now, you have to allow another 3 hours. But this one is every 1 hour. You understand? And if you want to invite, you click here to your control panel. You see your invitation link. Like look at it, this control panel now. This is my invitation. If I click on referrals, I'll be able to see. I already have how many referrals. Now this way I can click on my referral link, which I'm going to draw for you to join. So this is where you see your referral link. I have already up to 145 friends, people who have registered under this. That's how interesting it is. And you get something from 10% of whatever your referrals do. You get, and this is free. So it's very possible to, you know, especially those of us coming from countries where all those offer was, you can always do it. Those ones pay so much, and that's it. So I encourage, if you are on this channel and you're meeting this video, whether for the first time or not, please do wait to download this app, play these games, maybe a free game, and you earn all these things so free, ever free. For how long this system has been? More than 6 years now, and it has always been there, still paying so much. So if you are new to our channel, do it to subscribe and make sure you get to be notified by hitting that notification bell. Very important. And then don't forget to give us a thumbs up. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.